This is the future.
Yeah, my name is Martin. I work at Godrej at Voice.
So we are here at Shubhline Automation Pvt Ltd, which is India's very first manufacturer that produces heavy duty and double column machinery. Yes, sir. So how do you feel about this model that is present here? Have you checked it out, sir?
I checked it out. This model I feel is a very good model in the sense. First and foremost, it is made in India. It is made by a person I know, and
Okay.
I'm very proud of this company where it has come to. Okay, and of course we'll see the price point also, and it can do something good in our company. So we'll have a look at it. We have asked for a quote, etc.
Thank you very much for your precious time. It was lovely talking to you.
Yeah. See you. Bye.